Tips and tricks to managing acid reflux. Is acid reflux putting a damper on your life? Are you losing sleep because of it? If this is the case, then the following video is the answer to your prayers. By taking the time to read it, you will be arming yourself with what you need to get back your life. Don't just assume your acid reflux is a fact of life or consequence of your active lifestyle. If you find yourself suffering through frequent bouts of discomfort related to acid reflux, see your doctor. It may be something you ate or an indication that you need to slow down in life, but it could also be something else you need to take care of. Keep a diet diary. Everyone is different, and which foods will trigger your acid reflux may not be the same as mine. Write down how you feel before, during and after each meal, and include a list of what you eat and drink all day. After a month, you should have a clearer picture of which foods cause you the most grief. Did you know that losing weight can help tame the symptoms of GERD? There is scientific proof that having too much body fat leads to the release of chemicals which cause digestion not to function correctly. This can lead to acid reflux and its resulting suffering. Shed the pounds and feel better. Never skip a meal if you have acid reflux disease. When you skip even one meal, you are not putting anything into your stomach, allowing acid to intensify. If you do not feel hungry during a meal time, you could always eat a little something, like a banana or apple. As you can see, there are definitely things you can do to help ease your acid reflux. The tips that were provided here were things that were used to help ease acid reflux for others who have suffered from it before you. Now they are out there enjoying their life, and so can you. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.